Fantasyland Hotel, located inside West Edmonton Mall in Alberta, Canada, is the hotel of your imagination. Located inside this giant mall, the hotel features extravagantly designed theme rooms, decorated in amazing detail. I've done videos on a couple of these rooms before, including the incredible space room. This time around, however, we stayed in the pirate room.
This is a one-of-a-kind room, so stay tuned and come check it out with us.
We try to visit West Edmonton Mall for a sleepover and adventure at least once a year. This year, we nabbed a night at the Pirate Room. After a full day of swimming and water slides at the World Water Park, it was time to check into our room.
There is literally only one pirate-themed room in all of Fantasyland Hotel, and the waitlist to get in is rather long. We booked this room in January of 2021 with the intention of staying in May. That was the earliest they could get us in. But then in the middle of May, it was COVID. There were no restaurants open and the water park was closed down. It was just not worth it to come. We tried to book again further down the road, and the next available date was in September. That's how popular this room is. So if you like this video and you want to try out the pirate room for yourself, I suggest you book like right now.
The room is pretty luxurious, featuring a large queen canopied bed, 2 twin beds encapsulated in a pirate ship bunk, and a hot tub, along with all of the pirate decor elements.
Let's see what's up top of the ship.
Cute, another little bed. Kids are gonna love this. A little octopus tentacle on there. And then we can look out at our neat room.
The wheel on the ship actually spins. My kids are going to lose their minds. I found the octopus's eyeball. He's watching us.
One of the coolest features of this room is that its one set of windows overlooks the World Water Park. It is the only room in the entire hotel that does. But wait, there's more. What about the painted ceilings or the cool pirate-themed bathroom?
And the washroom even has a cool wood paneling door. Oh, it's pretty. It's a pretty washroom, and it has a mermaid. Kids, what do you think? Do you like it?
Love it.
So who's sleeping up top?
Abby,
Abby, and Parker's gonna sleep in the bottom.
shake me high, says I. Arr, matey.
The kids had fun playing pirates in the pirate ship. Then we tested out the tiny hot tub.
I know this from experience. We want to have a hot tub later on tonight. That means I should start filling it now.
It takes a very long time to fill up, but feels lovely once it's done. This hot tub felt particularly small though.
It's after hours at the World Water Park, but I peeked out the window just to see what was up. I found some people practicing their surfing.
We certainly enjoyed our stay at the Pirate Room in West Edmonton Mall. It definitely succeeded in creating a swashbuckling atmosphere. What's the neatest hotel room you've ever stayed in? Leave your answers in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to hit that thumbs up button and share it out so more people can learn about this fun experience. If you're new to my channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button and join my travel community? I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And to all my returning subscribers, welcome back and thanks for watching. I appreciate you.